guys, me and my cousins eating
Ice cream. That's how it look. That's how it look, everyone.
Ice cream. And it's like chocolate and a green.
And it
And it
how it
is
looks.
so yummy.
Tastes so good. You guys, if you want to taste this ice cream,
Please,
anyone
like and
around the
subscribe.
world, come to South Africa. The best ice cream here is you can come now.
Korea.
And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the link below. So we'll be enjoying our ice cream. Guys, wait! I'm gonna come now. Back. Here's my other cousin. Where is he?
Ja, look here, man. Come on, my friend, keep now, man.
This is his phone,
Did you watch?
and this is my one.
They are playing a Roblox.
We playing Roblox.
That is, look here.
So take them out. Whoever is there, please join us and play with us.
That is, look here, man.
Send your name in the comments.